Hello everyone and welcome to the breakdown. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to download and install a theme in WordPress. Now before we jump into the video, please be sure to subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up for more awesome WordPress online business related content. We post here every single day and you won't regret it. Nevertheless, how do you install a WordPress theme? Well, before we can get one installed, we need to download one. And I'm going to download one called Nouveau Rich. You can check this out down below, as well as other WordPress themes that we recommend. We have an article of over 15 WordPress themes updated for 2018. So if you guys are looking for a WordPress theme, go there, check it out. This one is on that list. Go ahead and click download here. It will then download it. And we can jump back over to our WordPress backend. As you can see here, I'm just on the home dashboard. We want to go over here and click on appearance and then click on themes. It'll then load up the themes page where you'll probably have a bunch of different themes here. I don't keep all that trash on sites because it is just that trash. So I just have one theme installed. It's the current theme on my site. To add a new theme, it's pretty simple. Just click add new up here. It will then take us off to here where we can then click upload theme, choose the file, and then choose the file we downloaded, then click install. It will then install this theme onto our site and we can activate it by clicking right there. I'm not going to do that though because I like the theme that I have, so I'm going to click live preview. This will show us the preview of the site with this theme installed without actually installing it. So here it is. Here's this theme, right? Pretty good looking, pretty cool, but I personally like my current theme more, so I don't want to do this. Click the X and just like that, it'll take us back to this page where you can see my old theme is still active. Want to delete this theme? Click on it and click delete in the bottom right. It will then ask if you want to, click OK, and it will delete the theme and it's gone. Now, if you don't want to have to do it that way, you'd rather use a little bit of an easier way to download a theme. When you click add new there, right? So we're on the themes page, we click the add new button. It takes us to this where we can see tons of different WordPress themes. If you find one that looks good, let's say this one's going to work for you, you can just click install right there. It really is that easy. And then once it's installed, you can click live preview to check it out before making it active and live on your site. So wait for it and it will load up, and there it is. And there is my site with this new theme. As you can see, it doesn't look too good, but it's there. I've previewed it, I know I don't want to do it, and now I can go delete it. That's how easy it is to install WordPress themes. Be sure to check out our article featuring the best WordPress themes of 2018 down below. This has been The Breakdown. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and thumbs up the video for more awesome content about online business, WordPress, all that awesome stuff. I'm Nick, and I'm out, guys. Peace.